Learn English to Gujarati workplace words. Work 2.
નિમણૂક.
Welcome to the office circus. Hey, you're about to learn Gujarati workplace words without falling asleep on your keyboard. We will keep it useful, light, and just a little ridiculous. Welcome to the world's most dramatic office, where the printer has feelings, the coffee is too brave, and everyone is late except the calendar. Your mission today is to learn 8 essential English to Gujarati words for work life. Here they come. Work is.
કામ.
Profession is.
વ્યવસાય.
Colleague is.
સહકર્મી.
Female boss is.
મહિલા બોસ.
Chef is.
રસોઈયા.
Company is.
ફર્મ.
Application is.
અરજી.
And appointment is.
નિમણૂક.
If that felt like a lot, good news, the office gossip will repeat everything. Meet the team. Let us meet the strangest team ever assembled in a workplace. Listen closely, because every person brings you a new word. First, there is Ravi, who always says, I have too much.
કામ.
Today. In English, work. In Gujarati.
કામ.
When your desk looks like a paper mountain, that is.
કામ.
Then comes Meera. She speaks proudly about her profession. Profession in Gujarati is.
વ્યવસાય.
She says, my.
વ્યવસાય.
Is teaching. Next is your helpful colleague. Colleague in Gujarati is.
સહકર્મી.
A good.
સહકર્મી.
Shares snacks, files, and panic before meetings. Now the door opens. Silence. Even the stapler behaves. The female boss has arrived. Female boss in Gujarati is.
મહિલા બોસ.
R.
મહિલા બોસ.
Leads the team well and somehow scares the broken printer into working. At lunch, we meet the chef, or in Gujarati.
રસોઈયા.
The.
રસોઈયા.
Prepares food so good that even serious office people suddenly become poets. All these people work in one company. Company in Gujarati is.
ફર્મ.
This.
ફર્મ.
Is large, busy, and powered mostly by tea. A new person wants to join the company, so she sends an application. Application in Gujarati is.
અરજી.
She checks her.
અરજી.
5 times, because apparently spelling your own name correctly is important. Finally, she gets an appointment. Appointment in Gujarati is.
નિમણૂક.
She says, I have a.
નિમણૂક.
At 3. Mini story at the.
ફર્મ.
Now you will hear a short funny story. Just relax and let the Gujarati words pop out naturally. One Monday morning, I entered the.
ફર્મ.
Ready for heroic levels of.
કામ.
My favorite.
સહકર્મી.
Looked at me and said, you look confident. I was not confident. I had spilled tea on my shirt and printed my lunch menu instead of my report. Then R.
મહિલા બોસ.
Walked in calmly, like a queen entering a kingdom of deadlines. She asked about my.
વ્યવસાય.
Goals, and I almost answered, my profession is surviving Mondays. At noon, the.
રસોઈયા.
Saved the day with hot soup. After lunch, a new candidate arrived with an.
અરજી.
In one hand and hope in the other. She was nervous because she had a.
નિમણૂક.
With the manager. By evening, I had finished my.
કામ.
My.
સહકર્મી.
Had fixed my spreadsheet, and the whole.
ફર્મ.
Had learned one important truth: never fight the printer before coffee. Say it with me. Time for a clean repetition drill. Hear it, say it, and try to sound like you belong in the office. Work.
કામ.
Work starts early.
કામ.
Starts early. Profession.
વ્યવસાય.
Her profession is teaching. Her.
વ્યવસાય.
Is teaching. Colleague.
સહકર્મી.
My colleague helped me. My.
સહકર્મી.
Helped me. Female boss.
મહિલા બોસ.
The female boss leads the team. The.
મહિલા બોસ.
Leads the team. Chef.
रसोइया.
The chef prepares dinner. The
रसोइया.
prepares dinner. Company.
फर्म.
She works for a large company. She works for a large
फर्म.
application.
अर्जी.
I sent my application. I sent my
अर्जी.
appointment.
निमणूक.
I have an appointment at 3. I have a
निमणूक.
at 3. Office dialogue chaos. Now let us drop these words into a tiny dialogue. Imagine this happening right in front of you. A. Do you have a lot of work today? B. Yes, a lot of.
काम.
A. What is your profession? B. My
व्यवसाय.
is architecture. A. Who helped you finish the report? B. My
सहकर्मी.
did. A. Who is leading the meeting? B. The
महिला बॉस.
A. Who made this amazing lunch? B. The
रसोइया.
Also, please thank the
रसोइया.
before you cry with happiness. A. Where do you work? B. I work at a.
फर्म.
A. Did you send the application? B. Yes, I sent the.
अर्जी.
This morning. A. Do you have an appointment? B. Yes, I have a.
निमणूक.
At 3. Quick memory tricks. Let us make the words stick. These silly images are weird on purpose because your brain loves weird. Picture a desk piled high with glowing papers labeled.
काम.
That is work. Imagine a wall of uniforms for every
व्यवसाय.
teacher, doctor, engineer, and one professional napper. See, you're smiling.
सहकर्मी.
Handing you coffee and a file at the same time. That is a true workplace hero. Imagine the
महिला बॉस.
entering the room so confidently that even the office plant stands straighter. See ya.
रसोइया.
In a tall white hat stirring a pot like a magician. Picture a huge office building with
फर्म.
glowing above the door. Imagine a shiny paper form marked
अर्जी.
floating into an office like it knows it is important. See a calendar square circled in red with
निमणूक.
written across it while a nervous cat checks its watch. Tiny quiz, big drama. You are ready. Answer in your head or out loud, and do not let the imaginary office cat outperform you. What is the Gujarati word for work?
काम.
What is the Gujarati word for profession?
व्यवसाय.
What is the Gujarati word for colleague?
सहकर्मी.
How do you say female boss in Gujarati?
महिला बॉस.
What is chef in Gujarati?
रसोइया.
What is the Gujarati word for company?
फर्म.
What is the Gujarati word for application?
अर्जी.
What is the Gujarati word for appointment?
निमणूक.
Friendly wrap up. Nice work, seriously. You just survived an office adventure and learned real Gujarati vocabulary. Today you practiced work words in English and Gujarati.
काम. व्यवसाय. सहकर्मी. महिला बॉस. रसोइया. फर्म. अर्जी.
And
निमणूक.
thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and soon these Gujarati workplace words will feel natural in your mouth and in your memory.